When I grow up, I would like to be a veterinarian. When I grow up, I'm going to be a black.
Yeah, when I grow up, you know what I wanna be? Take a seat, let me tell you my ridiculous dreams. I wanna rap, yeah, I know it's hard to believe, and I can tell you already thinking I will never succeed. I know this probably isn't really realistic, and honestly I might end up and make a difference, but that don't make a difference, I'ma have to risk it. I've been crunching numbers, you ain't gotta be a mathematician, and see the odds ain't rooting for me. I can't lie though, it's kinda how I like it to be, the underdog, and you probably think you know what I mean, but what I'm saying is they ever push me, I'm gonna split. Yeah, I can go to college getting debt like everybody else. Graduating, probably get a job that doesn't pay the bills. That don't make a lot of sense to me, forget the happy meals. I don't like the dollar man, you would rather make a meal. Huh? Make a meal? No, I said make a meal. Home cooking, get the grill. How you want it, pretty well? Everything I see is overdone to me, I'm not a deal. I'ma get a record deal, take a lot of message. I just wanna sign a record deal. Maybe buy a house up in the hills. Oh yeah.